Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pada kali ini kita akan melihat karnaval anak-anak TK. Jadi anak taman kanak-kanak yang lagi melakukan karnaval. Ketika kita dan saya, selamat menyaksikan. Pada hari ini kita melihat kegiatan karnaval anak-anak TK sekecamatan yang berada di Agam Timur, Kabupaten Agam, Provinsi Sumatera Barat.
Just don't say it's love, and don't say, don't say, don't say, don't say, don't say, don't say. I know it drives you crazy, 'cause I don't ever stay home. And you've been calling me lately, but I don't ever pick up my phone.